The fifth generation of the Civic hatchback has made its way back to the Philippine market, and Honda cars enthusiasts and supporters have kept their eyes on it. In this week's car review, let's find out what makes the 2018 Honda Civic Type R special. Powering the Type R is an Earth Dreams Technology 2.0-liter VTEC turbo engine that produces 310 horsepower and 400 Newton-meters of torque, and is coupled to a 6-speed manual transmission with Rev-Match Control System. Its suspension setup is composed of McPherson and dual-axis strut in the front and a multi-link in the rear. This is matched with an advanced suspension system like the adaptive damper system and agile handling assist that offer added confidence at every turn. Moreover, the Type R offers 3-mode drive system such as the Plus 3R mode, Sport mode, and Comfort mode, which will let the driver select through different characteristics to match their driving conditions. Meanwhile, the outside look of the Type R is highlighted by its front and rear bumpers that use carbon fiber effect splitter and diffuser with these red horizontal accents. On its side, its 20-inch aluminum wheels are also accentuated with a red line. The front grille, which carries the LED headlights and fog lights, has the H badge, which further adds to the identity of the Type R. Inside, 4 people can fit comfortably. The front seats use Type R spec bucket seats. Meanwhile, the rear seats have a 60-40 split or folding configuration. Moreover, the cockpit is driver-friendly. Its instrument cluster comes with 7-inch full-color thin-film transistor, and it displays the 3 driving modes for the Type R. For the audio system, the Type R is equipped with 7-inch touchscreen advanced display audio with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, HDMI port, USB ports, and Apple connectivity. These are supported by 8 speakers. The Type R also comes with the standard safety and security features. Among these features are the driver and front passenger airbags, side curtain airbags, anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, vehicle stability assist, and hill start assist. Additionally, the Type R is equipped with a titanium shift knob and easy-to-reach controls, which allows the driver to operate the auto brake hold, electronic parking brake, and 3-mode drive system shift easily. That was the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, our featured vehicle on this week's car review.